Hello student, myself Professor Ajay Yadav. In today's session we are discussing about photo system. Before we start the photo system, let's we discuss about quanta zone. Okay, so what is a quanta zone? Quanta zone is a collection of pigment which is held in the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so quanta zone is a collection of pigment and which is help in the process of photosynthesis is nothing but quanta zone. So quanta zone found in the membrane of thylakoid. कहाँ पे पाया जाता है? मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ थाइलाकॉइड में पाया जाता है. And who discovered quanta zone? Quanta zone is discovered by scientist Roderick Park in 1962. कभी in 1962 में रॉड्रिक पार्क ने क्वांटा जोन डिस्कवर किया. सो क्वांटा जोन इज आल्सो नथिंग बट यूनिट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. क्या बोलते हैं? फोटोसिंथेसिस. व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड यूनिट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस? because it helps in the photosynthesis. That is why it is called as unit of photosynthesis. So quanta zone is a collection of pigment. So main there is a chlorophyll A pigment. Okay, and chlorophyll A pigment is surrounded by other accessory pigment. So chlorophyll A pigment is the main pigment of quanta zone and which is surrounded by other pigment, and that is nothing but accessory pigment. So this pigment is called as accessory pigment. And the main pigment of quanta zone is called as chlorophyll, that is the chlorophyll A, and which is nothing but reaction center. And collectively accessory pigment and reaction center collectively form a complex, and that complex is called as antenna complex. When this group of or collection of pigment absorb the light at different wavelength of light. Okay, so solar light fall or allow to absorb by pigment in the form of photon. So when these pigment absorb the light in the form of photon, so photon absorbed by accessory pigment, and these accessory pigment pass the photon to next pigment, and this pigment pass the photon to main pigment, that is chlorophyll A. And when chlorophyll A absorb maximum light, then a pair of electron is liberated out, and this pair of electron accepted by electron acceptor, and this electron acceptor is nothing but primary electron acceptor. Electron acceptor. Okay, so pigment absorb the light in the different at the different wavelength of light. So write the point. So all photosynthetic pigment absorb the light at different wavelength of light. Different wavelength of light. Okay, so this structure is called as quantazome, which is found in the membrane of thylakoid. So we discuss. So now we start photosystem. Okay, photosystem. What is photosystem? Photosystem is a complex which is absorb the light at different shorter wavelength as well as longer wavelength of light. So PS photosystem is also written in short form PS. So photosystem discovered by लुईस. ओके, किसने डिस्कवर किया? लुईस ने डिस्कवर किया. सो देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ photosystem. One is called as PS1 and second one is called as PS2. So first we discuss PS1. So PS1 absorb maximum light at 700 nanometer. Okay, PS1 absorb maximum light at 700 nanometer. So in the photosystem, main pigment is chlorophyll A, and chlorophyll A is surrounded by other accessory pigment, and all these pigment absorb different wavelength of light. Okay, so when light fall on the photosystem, so photosystem absorb the light, and when light reaches to chlorophyll A, then the electron of chlorophyll molecule gets excited, a pair of electron. Okay, it liberated out, that is accepted by primary electron acceptor. And primary electron acceptor roll down the electron to next electron carrier. Okay, so this is accessory pigment, and main pigment of photosystem is nothing but reaction center. Okay, and this complex is called as antenna complex. Okay, so entire unit is called as photosystem. So antenna complex plus photosystem is nothing but antenna complex plus primary electron acceptor is nothing but PS1. PS1 is also written in the form of P700. Okay, so PS1 को हम कौन से फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं? P700 फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. Then next is PS2 absorb maximum light at the 680 nanometer. So almost structure is almost similar. Okay, or most of similar. So chlorophyll A present in the center, surrounded by other pigment, that is nothing but accessory pigment, and these reaction center and accessory pigment form a complex. That complex is called as antenna complex, and this collection of pigment absorb the light and light allowed to absorb by pigment, and a pair of electron is liberated out, and that electron accepted by primary electron acceptor. And this entire unit means antenna complex plus primary electron acceptor is nothing but photosystem. So this PS2 absorb maximum light at 680 nanometer. Okay, and it is also written in the form of P680. Okay, तो कौन से फॉर्म में लिखते हैं? P680 फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. So first of all, what is quantazome? Quantazome is a collection of pigment which is help in the process of photosynthesis, and quantazome is also found in the membrane of thylakoid of chloroplast. Okay, and quantazome is discovered by Roderick Park in 1962, and quantazome is also called as unit of photosynthesis. So in the quantazome there is a main pigment that is nothing but chlorophyll A, and chlorophyll A surrounded by other pigment that is called as accessory pigment. Okay, so these complex of accessory pigment and main pigment form a complex that is called as antenna complex. So when these complex of pigment absorb the light in the form of photon, and this pigment absorb the light in the different wavelength of light. So light reaches to main pigment that is chlorophyll A, and chlorophyll, electron of chlorophyll A gets excited, that is accepted by electron acceptor, and this electron acceptor is nothing but primary electron acceptor. Okay, so quantazome absorb the light at different wavelength of light during photosynthesis. So what is the photosystem? Photosystem is a complex of antenna complex and primary electron acceptor. Okay, so photosystem are two type, PS1 and PS2. PS1 absorb maximum light at 700 nanometer, whereas PS2 absorb maximum light at 680 nanometer. So PS1 is also written in the form of P700, whereas PS2 photosystem 2 written in the form of P680. Okay, thank you.